Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and today I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change the watch face on your watch, you need to wake up the screen on it, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here we have the list of watch faces. By default, if it's brand new watch, you will have only the default watch face, this one. But you can always tap on Add Watch Face, scroll through the list of categories, find the category you like, and then you can look for something you want to add. For example, let's say you want this one. We can tap on it. It will be added to the watch face menu, and now we can tap on it again to apply it. And once you fill in the list right here, you can scroll through the watch face menu, find the watch face you like, and simply tap on it to apply it. So it's quite simple. You can also remove the watch faces from the list. So as you can see, some of them have this minus icon. You can remove them like this. You can also customize the watch faces by tapping on the customize button. And here you can change a few things. For example, this one allows us to change the color. Then we can swipe left and change the complications. We have a few of them, so we can tap right here, scroll through the list, look for a complication you want. For example, the detailed weather. Then we have complications right here. You can change them. So there's quite some customization, as you can see. And then we have also the complications around. And once you're done, you can press the home button and the changes will be applied. You can also do this through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the Galaxy Wearable, I believe it's called, application on the phone that is paired. A bit too far. A bit more. Okay. So yeah, Galaxy Wearable. And once you open the app, you should see, usually not this page. Let me actually reopen it like this. And by default, you will see this page. And here you have your watch, because the watch is paired with our phone, and we can tap on My Watch Faces. It will open this page, and here you can scroll through the list, look for the watch face you like, and tap on it to apply it. Or tap on Set to apply it, my bad. You can also add watch faces, so you can scroll through here. You have different categories. You can look for watch face you like, tap on it, then tap on Apply. It will be added to the list and applied on your watch, like this. And of course, you can customize watch faces as well. So if you tap on Edit icon, you can edit the watch faces, tap on Save, and then changes should be applied. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.